Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shopify theme using a zip file. Let's get started. First, from your Shopify dashboard, look at the left-hand panel and click on Online Store. This will take you to the Themes section. At the top right, you'll see an Import Theme button. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down, select Upload Zip File. Now, choose the zip file that contains your custom Shopify theme. Once you've selected your file, click Upload File. It may take a few moments for the theme to upload depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new theme appear in the Theme Library section. From there, you can click Customize to start editing your theme. Change layouts, adjust colors, and personalize it to match your brand. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Shopify theme using a zip file. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.